you.
Thank you. Okay, so she's not crawling, but she was sitting, and this is how she gets onto her belly now. And she can pull herself up over there. You gonna do what Sissy's doing? Owen's gonna be on the floor. Okay, now hold on. Come here. Come see what I'm doing. Come sit up here with me. Excuse me. Come sit with me. Come look in the camera. Owen, come sit by Mom. Come up here. Owen, I want you to show me your nice feet. Are you gonna do some rolling for us, Juliana? So this is the living room, the whole area, and she pretty much rolls around all of it.
And sometimes she even gets under the table.
Owen, you giving Sissy a hug? She's a lot more mobile when she doesn't have company. Come here, Owen.